Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your organization profile in Zoho Inventory. This is essential for ensuring your business information is accurate and appears correctly on all your documents and communications. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your inventory management takes place. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and locate the gear icon. This is your settings hub where you can configure various aspects of your account. Click on this gear icon to access the settings menu. From the options that appear, select Profile under the Organization section. This is where you'll manage all the core details about your business. Once you're in the Profile section, start by entering your organization's full legal name in the Organization Name field. This name will appear on invoices, purchase orders, and other official documents, so make sure it's accurate. If you'd like to add a professional touch, you can upload your company logo by clicking Upload Logo. This is optional but helps with brand consistency across your documents. Next, choose your industry from the Industry drop-down menu. Selecting the right industry helps Zoho tailor certain features and reports to suit your business type. After that, review your organization location by clicking the drop-down next to Organization Location. If needed, change this to reflect where your business operates from. Scroll down to the Organization Address section and click the Edit icon. Here you can enter or update your complete business address, including street details, city, state, and postal code. Having this information correct is crucial for shipping and billing purposes. Now it's time to adjust some important settings. Look for options to set your base currency, fiscal year, organization language, and communication language. You can also configure your preferred date format and time zone in this area. These settings ensure that all your transactions and reports align with your business operations and regional standards. If your business requires additional custom fields, scroll to the Additional Fields section, click New Field, then enter a field label and its corresponding value. This allows you to capture specific information unique to your organization's workflow. Finally, review all the information you've entered to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, click Save at the bottom of the page to update your organization profile. And that's it. Your Zoho Inventory organization profile is now fully set up and ready to support your inventory management needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.